Before you think about house plans, materials, or contractors, the first and most critical step in building your home is land acquisition. Depending on how you approach it, land can be a dream come true, or it can be a source of endless disputes. One, you can lose your life savings. That is, if you rush into buying plots without proper due diligence. So here's what you must know before signing any agreement. The thing is, you must verify ownership of the land. Always start at the Ministry of Lands or your local county land registry. Confirm that the seller truly owns the land by checking the title deed against official records. In Kenya, there are many fake and duplicate title deeds circulating around, and buyers often discover too late that the seller wasn't the legal owner. So how do you verify land ownership in Kenya? Just to say, land fraud is common in Kenya. So many buyers have lost millions due to fake deals. Think about smooth talking brokers, fake title deeds, double ownership. All these claims have ruined dreams for many families or aspiring homeowners. That's why the first and most crucial step in land acquisition is verifying land ownership. And here's how to do it thoroughly. Number one, you must inspect the title deed. Start by asking the seller for a copy of the title deed. Confirm that the names match their national ID. Also check the title number. The seller can give excuses like the original is with my lawyer or is still processing. So don't fall for these excuses. If the title looks suspicious, think about poor writing, mismatched fonts, or missing watermarks. Treat it as a red flag. It can just be another photoshopped title deed and you fall for it. So at least you must know how an original title deed in Kenya looks like, so that you can know whether you are looking at a fake or an original one. The next step, number 2, is to conduct an official land search. Having the copy of the title deed and the seller's ID, visit the Ministry of Lands, or you can go to your county land registry. A land search is not expensive. It costs just about 500 shillings usually, but sometimes up to 1,000 shillings. The search results will show you the registered owner's name, the exact land size, and whether the land has disputes, loans, or restrictions. If the owner's name on the title doesn't match the search results, that's not a land to consider. Walk away immediately. Apart from visiting the Ministry of Land offices in person, you can also choose the online option. You can use the Ardhi Sasa platform. Land records have been digitized under the Ardhi Sasa. You can go to their website. It's ardhisasa.lands.go.ke. Through this portal, you can perform searches, you can request records, and even transfer ownership electronically. Always confirm whether the land in question is registered on the system. Using Ardhi Sasa makes it easy for diaspora buyers and busy professionals to search securely. Perhaps you're busy with office work, you can't go to the office, so you can just perform an online search and you'll get the results just as sure as those found in the offices themselves. At this step, you may want to work with a lawyer or trusted land agencies to interpret the results and complete transactions safely. Working with professionals is always a guarantee, because You may not know even what to look at when you go, when you're performing a search. So always work with professionals. That is, if you want to be sure of the results. Next step, number 4, check for encumbrances. Just to know, some plots are used as collateral for loans, those equity loans, KCB loans that people default, or they can be locked in family disputes. Maybe the son wants to take over the dad and the transfer has not been successful. These are called encumbrances. A land search will reveal if a bank has placed a charge on the land, or if there's a court order restricting transfers. Buying such land can drag you into years of legal battles, and that's what you don't want. Number 5, verify with neighbors and local administration. Don't underestimate ground level checks. So visit the area, talk to the area chiefs, the neighbors or local elders, and as they say, the drunk persons around that neighborhood. They always know a lot about any piece of land. They often know the land's history, whether it's genuine, if ownership is disputed, or if it has multiple claimants. If the seller is fraudulent, they wouldn't want you to go around asking the neighbors, so they'll try to stop that process so that they can scam you. Number 6, confirm survey records. This is where you engage a licensed surveyor to cross-check that the lands, beacons, and size match what is in the title deed and survey map. Many buyers have discovered later that their quarter acre is actually smaller or overlaps with public land. So you wouldn't want to buy an acre of land just in paper and then you end up with something like 3/4 of an acre. So it's always good to use a professional surveyor to confirm the land size. Lastly, number 7, demand supporting documents. That's a very crucial step. For example, if the land is on leasehold, ask for consent to transfer from the lessor. This is usually the government, or it can be just a usual owner. For land that has recently been subdivided, request the mutation forms showing how the subdivision was legally approved. If you notice the seller hesitating, you don't want to be cautious with proceeding with that land purchase. Final word, verifying land ownership is not just a formality. This is actually your protection. Don't rely on brokers, family, or mere verbal assurances. Always conduct an official land search yourself if you can. But of course, as we've said, with the help of a professional land agency or a lawyer, they'll help you a lot. Always inspect records, and involve professionals like lawyers and surveyors. So with this, you may spend a few thousand shillings on verification, but this can save you from losing millions in fraud. That's a brief eye-opening tip from Engineer Kosome, the CEO of Engineer Kosome's construction company. Building your dream home should never feel like a gamble. Our construction company combines engineering expertise with integrity to deliver projects you can trust. From residential homes and commercial buildings to renovations, roads, and landscaping, we handle projects of any size and any value. Our services cover design, drafting, project management, and full construction, so you don't have to juggle multiple contractors. What sets us apart? Our values: integrity first, quality, craftsmanship, innovation, safety, and client focus. We don't cut corners. We build strong foundations, lasting relationships, and structures that stand the test of time. Whether you're starting small or thinking big, We walk with you every step of the way, planning, guiding, and delivering results that fit your vision and budget. We don't just build houses, we build futures. Partner with us now and let's turn your vision into reality.